How to recover Yahoo password without recovery email and phone number. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser and then search for Yahoo account. Now simply search for Yahoo account recovery. Now go to reset or change your Yahoo password. After that, go to the Sign-In Helper. Then as you can see, you will need a sign-in email address or phone number, or recovery phone number or recovery email address. If you do not have entered recovery email address or your phone number, you can simply use your sign-in email address or your mobile number. It does not have to be your recovery email ID, or if you have not added your recovery email ID, you can just use your sign-in email ID and continue. After that, code will be sent for verification, and after that you will be able to change your password and recover it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.